In the world of oil and gas services, the days are long and full of regulatory oversight. From managing sites and tracking assets to conducting inspections or plant rounds on time, you need the right software to manage your field operations. Scheduling site visits or asset maintenance work orders is simply a drag and drop away. Or schedule recurring work orders, such as inspections or plant rounds. Creating digital mobile forms is a breeze in FieldSquared's industry-leading forms builder. From inspections to plant rounds and asset maintenance, the sky's the limit with FieldSquared. From the FieldSquared mobile application, field technicians can easily see their assigned work orders on their schedule. Technicians can quickly capture photos, complete checklists, and capture signatures. You can also manage your mobile inventory at the truck, well site, or warehouse level, enabling you to account for all consumable inventory used. FieldSquared enables you to manage a hierarchy of internal or customer-owned assets, such as equipment and well sites. Technicians can easily conduct work against assets, including visualizing assets on a map. With the ability to track asset locations and create work orders against assets, your field crews have accurate asset information at their fingertips. Do you utilize Esri ArcGIS? FieldSquared developed the industry's first zero-effort integration, allowing you to be up and running in minutes. To learn more or get a demo, visit fieldsquared.com.